Hello! Today we're going to be doing LeetCode problem 2405, which is optimal partition of string. This problem states, given a string S, partition the string into one or more substrings such that the characters in each substring are unique. That is, no letter appears in a single substring more than once. Return the minimal number of substrings in each partition. In such a partition, note that each character should belong to exactly one substring in a partition. So the first example, ABA CABA. Output is 4. Why is it 4? So the possible partitions are A, B, blah, 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 CABA, and A, blah, blah. So 4 is the minimal number of unique. The key is unique. Example 2, 6 S's. So the only valid partition is blah, 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 SSSSS, output of 6. Okay, to do this, we're going to use a hash map, which will keep track of the last occurrence of each character. So we'll start with the first character of the string, add to the hash map, and iterate through the rest of the string. For each character, we'll check to see if it has already appeared in the current substring. If it hasn't, we'll add it. Otherwise, we'll create a new substring. Pretty straightforward. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is create an index and assign that to 0. We iterate through the string. We need to keep track of which indice it's at, and then we'll keep track of the count. Alright, so we use the map function to keep track of this. The first parameter is going to be a character. Second parameter will be a Boolean. I'm going to call that map. Very original. And it's going to be a new hash map. Alright. While the index is less than the input of S length. Fat finger in this tonight. Alright, let's do some stuff. Okay. Alright, so we need to check the map. So if map dot, and then we're going to use the contains key function in Java, s char at index so if it contains the key, we're just going to increment the count. Increment the count. And then we're going to do a map clear, which will clear it and start a new substring. Otherwise, guess what? We're going to map put s char at index. And that is going to be true, meaning we found it. Yippee skippy. And then we've got to increase the index. Bonk, bonk. Alright, and then we're going to return the actual count. And we're going to add 1 because we need to include that last substring as well. Alright, let's see what I messed up. Ha! Nothing. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Case 2, also expected output. Alright, submit it. Looking good. Okay, the time complexity is O of n because depends on the initial size of the array, and we have to iterate through that. So the space complexity is also O of n, depending on the initial size of that array. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.